My name is Amber Zan. I have known about Eden Point since last 3 years, 3+ years, and I just Googled it, just Googled health camps in Georgia. It was the only one that attracted me, and I didn't really see anything similar in the area, and I thought that all the oxygen therapies and the environment seemed attractive from the website. Yes, actually more than my expectations. Then we were treated like royalty, and the loving environment has been like my dream about the ambiance in the world, and it's been like a dream come true. Perfectly clean, like we go to the lifestyle center, come back, and everything is clean again. It's beautiful. It's a safe environment. We didn't even lock the door all day, and I walked even from the cabin to the center, and when the sun wasn't even up yet, and I didn't feel scared. I felt like the property, the environment, and I just felt safe. I felt very safe. It was good, and the difficult part was the withdrawal symptoms from the habits and the attachments to food, and all of the emotional eating that has happened for like a yo-yo pattern for the last several years. So that was the most difficult part, because the mind kept going towards food, and that's not why I'm alive, to think about food. I'm alive to think about other things that I'm here to do. So that was the most difficult part. Each day began with drinking isotonic detox water and reading, just spending time alone, and waking up and thinking happy thoughts. And then we walked or drove a few days to the center, where we started with taking our vitals and using the beamer therapy, which was amazing, and it was a new experience. And then we did a little study from the food studies from the Bible, which was also very fascinating to see, different references from the historical perspective about how human beings are designed, and what we're supposed to be consuming, and what wasn't designed for us, and we're still consuming it. So, and what the implications of that is. So that was really fascinating. Well, I liked all of them. I think what was my favorite was the ozone hot tub and the jetted tub. That was really relaxing, and I liked the whole theme about the oxygen therapies, because I know that I've struggled with breathing and just kind of relaxing, and I find myself holding my breath a lot on a daily basis. So it was a very, very good experience to be able to just relax and let go, and going back to the environment that I mentioned earlier. That was the most important factor for me. I don't know about anybody else, but for me, if the ambiance is not there and the environment is not there, no matter what you provide, for me, it doesn't really work. And it hasn't worked in my 39 years of life on this planet. And I've seen a lot of things, and I've gone to a lot of spas, and if the environment is not there, I don't stick around for long. I run away. So it was a beautiful experience, and that oxygen breathing. We were looking forward to that. It's kind of amazing how the mind and the habits and the attachments, you think about food that has kept you where you are in that way. But at the same time, it was also something I looked forward to in a way, because I wanted to chew something. Experiencing the meals that we had, and the creativity of the live living foods, and how it makes you feel. Like, I have not had an easy elimination process, and with the foods that we consumed here, everything just became very easy, and the pain went away. So that was very fascinating to see that. And my challenges and my prayer is that I find a structure and discipline in my life to be able to carry this on. And I finally have someone that's a gift from God, and I feel like I can carry it on in a way that I'm supposed to. Yes, the soya bella was very fascinating, where you could make your fresh almond milk. I already have the Vitamix, so I got some really good ideas to do new recipes and to use that tool that I already have. I'm really excited about getting the dehydrator. The waffle maker, which I really didn't like waffles, but I'm really excited about the creative recipes that are so simple and so like yummy that I can actually make a savory bread in this waffle maker and also make something that I can use with the carob syrup. So I'm really excited about that too. And what else? I think there was a lot of tools, but I think I might have to plan it out for the rest of the year. But we already have the Instapot and the waffle maker and a few other things that we gathered here that I'm going to get immediately. The first thing is that I have made a decision that I'm eliminating meat from my diet. So the first thing I'm going to do when I get home is to get rid of what I need to get rid of and bring in live foods and the tools that I need to prepare myself every week. So that way the structures are there so I can set myself up for success.